Good morning, students.
Hmm.
Good morning, students. Chapter 1 and 2 both are completed. Today we have done exercise. Now the exercise of chapter 1 is here. Come with me and solve it. Okay? This is chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. The exercise of chapter 1 is here. Firstly, we solve fill in the blanks. Okay? Green plants are called blank है since they synthesize their own food. What are we called? We called green plants are called autotrophs. You fill it autotrophs. Okay? The second is the food synthesized by the plants is stored as carbohydrate. The food synthesized by the plants is stored as in the form of carbohydrate. Okay. Third one, in photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called which pigment? Chlorophyll. That pigment is known as chlorophyll. Fourth is during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. All of you clear the all fill in the blanks? First is green plants are called autotrophs since they are synthesize their own food. क्या कहते हैं green plants को? Autotrophs. Why they are autotrophs? Because they synthesize their own food. They are known as autotrophs. The food, second is the food synthesized by the plants is stored as carbohydrate. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. You know chlorophyll is a green pigment. Due to this, solar energy is captured it. During photosynthesis, plants take in. All of you know which gas plants take in? Carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Clear? Now come to question number 2. In this question, you tell the name. Name the following. Number 1, a parasitic plant with yellow cylinder and tubular stem. This is the Cuscuta. Cuscuta or Amarvale. Cuscuta. The other name of Cuscuta is Amarvale. Second is a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. You know, this is the pitcher plant. Pitcher plant has a both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. पिचर प्लांट में ये दोनों न्यूट्रिशन होते हैं. Autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition both are present. So third one is the pores through which leaves exchange gases. All of you know it is the stomata. Pores through which leaves exchange gases. उन पोर्स से जिनसे गैसेज एक्सचेंज होती हैं लीफ में. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन होती है और ऑक्सीजन आउट होती है. These pores are known as stomata. Now come to question number 3. Take the correct answer. Amarvale is an example of, all of you know, Amarvale is an example of autotroph, parasite, saprotroph and host. So the correct answer is parasite. Amarvale is an example of parasite. Okay. Now come to next is the plants which traps and feeds on insects is. There are 4 options: Cuscuta, China rose, pitcher plant or rose. The pitcher plant is the correct answer because the plant which trap and feed on insects, only pitcher plant do this. Next question is the match the columns. In match the column, chlorophyll, nitrogen, amarvale, animals and insects. I have done the in column 2 correct answer in front of them. Okay, chlorophyll is related to leaf, nitrogen, bacteria, amarvale, parasite, animals, heterotrophs, insects, pitcher plant. Okay, all of you clear? Now come to true or false. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. It is true or false? Carbon dioxide released during photosynthesis. At the time of photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide is not released. Oxygen is released. So this statement is false. All of you clear why it is false? Because at the time of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is in and oxygen is released. So it is a false. Next, plants which synthesize their food themselves are saprotrophs. It is also false. Why it is false? Because plants which synthesize their food themselves are autotrophs, not a saprotrophs. So it is also false. Clear? Next, the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. It is correct because the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. It is a carbohydrate. So it is true. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. All of us know this. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. It is also true. Clear? All of you clear? Now come to next. Choose the correct option. There are 4 options has been given. You choose only one correct option. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? At the time of photosynthesis, in which part of the plant takes carbon dioxide in? Root hair, stomata, leaf veins and sepals. So, stomata is correct. And the next question is, plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their roots, stem, flowers and leaves. So the correct answer is leaves. Yes, your exercise of chapter 1 has been completed. Okay, thank you.